Garlic oil isn't just a tasty ingredient in your favorite Italian dish. It is a powerhouse of health benefits. This video will explore the health benefits and uses of this powerful oil. You'll learn how to use garlic oil to support cardiovascular health, improve skin appearance, reduce inflammation, and even fight off bacteria. Plus, we'll cover some ways to incorporate garlic oil into your daily routine. Don't miss out on the incredible power of garlic oil. Watch now to learn more. Garlic oil is a pale yellow, transparent liquid with a pungent aroma that can be overpowering. It is extracted from garlic cloves through various methods, such as steam distillation or cold pressing. Here are its best benefits. 1. Garlic oil is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, manganese, calcium and iron. Vitamin B6 is important for brain function and the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Selenium is essential for thyroid function and helps protect against oxidative stress. Manganese is important for bone health and metabolism. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, while iron is important for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. 2. Garlic oil contains several powerful antioxidants as well. Allicin is a sulfur compound that is responsible for many of the health benefits of garlic. It has been shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Selenium and vitamin C are also powerful antioxidants that help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Garlic oil has been shown to have a positive effect on cardiovascular health. It can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent the formation of blood clots. These benefits can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Garlic oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for people with conditions such as arthritis and asthma. 5. Garlic oil has been found to have immune-boosting properties. It can help stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. 6. Garlic oil can help improve digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It can also help reduce inflammation in the gut, which can be beneficial for people with conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome. 7. Garlic oil can be beneficial for skin and hair health. Garlic oil is rich in sulfur compounds that help promote hair growth by enhancing blood flow to the scalp. The essential nutrients in garlic oil, including vitamins B6 and C, further stimulate the hair follicles to produce healthier and thicker hair. Garlic oil also features antimicrobial properties that help prevent bacterial or fungal infections on the scalp. These infections can lead to dandruff, which weakens the hair and causes it to fall out prematurely. Applying garlic oil directly on your scalp can achieve a healthy scalp that supports robust hair growth. In addition, if you have thinning or weak hair strands prone to breakage, incorporating garlic oil into your routine could be beneficial. Garlic oil strengthens fragile hair while repairing damages caused by environmental factors like pollution or heat styling tools. You can improve your overall hair health with garlic oil as part of your hair care routine. It promotes a natural growth cycle for robust and fuller locks. 8. Garlic oil can help improve respiratory health by reducing inflammation in the airways. It can also help prevent infections such as colds and flu. 9. Garlic oil has been found to have anti-cancer properties. It can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in the stomach, colon, and prostate. Garlic appears to reduce the ability of cancer cells to promote the growth of new blood vessels. 10. An excellent remedy for wounds and skin diseases. It has antiseptic properties that prevent infections from developing in cuts, scrapes, or other injuries. It also contains compounds like allicin that reduce inflammation and promote healing. In addition to its wound-healing properties, garlic oil can treat skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, and eczema. It works by reducing the growth of bacteria on the skin's surface while calming inflammation caused by these conditions. Many people find that using garlic oil regularly helps improve their overall health and skin appearance. To use garlic oil for wounds. Apply a few drops of pure garlic oil directly on the cut or mix it with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil before applying it to the skin. The antibacterial properties of garlic will help prevent infection while promoting healing. It is important to note that using too much raw garlic can irritate the skin and cause burning sensations. So, moderation is key when using this oil. A few drops is enough to remedy ailments. Garlic oil can also treat fungal infections like athlete's foot or ringworm. Apply a few drops of diluted garlic oil on the affected area twice daily until symptoms subside. 11. It has insecticidal properties. Garlic oil is common for its insecticidal properties, making it an essential ingredient in the natural pest control industry. The pungent odor of garlic oil makes it a potent repellent for insects like mosquitoes, flies, aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and ants. One of the main components of the oil, allicin, is responsible for this property. You can use garlic oil as a natural insecticide by mixing it with water and spraying it on plants plagued by pests. It acts as a deterrent against these pests by interfering with their feeding and reproduction cycles. In addition to being a repellent, garlic oil is a potent pesticide. Once in contact with insects or other pests, the compounds in garlic oil disrupt their nervous system and cause paralysis, ultimately leading to death. This quality makes it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides that can harm human health and the environment. 12. Relieves mouth sores and toothache. Garlic oil has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which make it an effective remedy for mouth sores and toothache. The oil contains allicin, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and pain. Applying garlic oil directly on the affected area can relieve the discomfort caused by mouth sores and toothache. To use garlic oil for mouth sores, mix 2 drops of garlic oil with a teaspoon of coconut or olive oil. Swish the mixture in your mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out. To relieve toothache, apply 1 drop of garlic oil onto a cotton ball and place it on the affected tooth or gum area. Leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes before removing it. While garlic oil can be an effective natural remedy for relieving mouth sores and toothache, take caution as it may irritate some people when used topically. Always dilute garlic oil with carrier oils before use to prevent skin irritation or a burning sensation in the mouth. Garlic oil is a popular ingredient in many dishes, as it adds a rich, savory flavor to food. Here are some ways to use garlic oil in cooking. Drizzle over roasted vegetables or meats for added flavor. Use as a base for salad dressings or marinades. Add to pasta dishes or stir-fries for extra flavor. Brush onto bread or pizza crusts for a garlic-infused taste. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 surprising ways garlic water can transform your health. Thanks for watching and bye for now.